The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome back, children. Hope all are doing good. It's 40 degrees outside, so drink plenty of water and take fruits also. Okay, today we are going to discuss the last chapter of this year's syllabus, that is statistics. So, shall we move to our topic, average? Do you remember studying average in class 6? Okay, let us do a problem on average. The max marks of 5 children are given, that is 32, 43, 48, 25, 70. Find their average marks. Average marks is equal to sum of these marks divided by number of children. 5, 60. 165 divided by number of children, that is 5. 165 divided by 5 is equal to 33. So 33 is the average marks. Okay. The numbers calculated like this are called averages or measures of central tendency. Central tendency. Okay, the average got by dividing the sum by their numbers is called arithmetic mean or mean. Arithmetic mean or mean is equal to the average got by dividing the sum by their numbers, that is total numbers, is arithmetic mean or mean. Okay, clear? The average of any set of numbers between two fixed numbers is also between these numbers. Let us do a problem. The table shows the children in a class sorted according to the marks they got for a math test. Marks, number of children. Calculate the average mark of the class. First we have to find out the total marks. Okay, so next column, total marks. Total marks is number of children is 1, mark 2. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Here 3 into 2 is 6. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 5 into 4 is equal to again 20, 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 11, 77, 8 into 10, 80, 9 into 4, 36, 10 into 2, 20. Okay, then add these marks. This is the total marks. 7 to 9. Okay, total number of children, that is 45. Next we have to find arithmetic mean. Mean is equal to sum divided by total number. Here sum means total marks, that is 297 divided by number of children, that is 45. Okay, 297 divided by 45 is 6.6 is the average. 6.6 is the average marks. Dear children, we have seen in class 8, when the amount of data is large, how data is tabulated in classes and frequencies. The table below shows the children in a class sorted according to their heights. Height, number of children. 148 to 152, number of children, age. 152 to 156, number of children, 10. 156 to 160, number of children, 15. 160 to 164, number of children, 10. 164 to 168, number of children, 7. What is the mean height of a child in this class? Now we have to find out the arithmetic mean. This is the frequency table. Here heights centimeter. Intervals are given 148 to 152. Okay, so first we have to find out these intervals mid values. Okay, so next column mid values. This is equal to, add these two number divided by 2, that is 148 plus 152 divided by 2. This is equal to 0, 0, 3, 302. This is equal to 150. Okay, next 152 plus 156 divided by 2. This is equal to 8, 10, 3 divided by 2. This is equal to 154. Okay, next 156 plus 160 divided by 2. This is equal to 6, 116 by 2. This is equal to 158. Okay, next 160 plus 164 divided by 2. This is equal to 423 by 2. This is equal to 162. Okay, next 164 plus 168 divided by 2. This is equal to 3 by 2. This is equal to 166. Okay, this is the average height. Okay, next find total height. So next column, total height. This is equal to, how we have to find out the total height? Average height into number of children. So 150 into 8. This is equal to 1200. Okay, next 154 into 10. This is equal to 1540. Okay, next 158 into 15. 158 into 15. This is equal to 2370. Okay, 2370. Next 162 into 10. 162 into 10. This is equal to 1620. Next 166 into 7. This is equal to into 7. This is equal to 2611. 1162. Okay. Next find total height. So add these numbers. 2 9 8 7 7892. Here number of children, total number of children is 50. Okay, next we have to find average height, that is mean. Mean is equal to sum divided by total number. This is equal to, here sum is 7892 divided by 50. Okay, this is equal to 157.84 centimeter. So average height is 157.84 centimeter. Clear, children? Let us do a problem. Find different sets of 6 different numbers between 10 and 30 with each number given below as mean. First one, 20. Here mean is given. We know that average is equal to sum divided by total number. Okay. The next sum is equal to average into total number. Okay. Next total number is equal to sum divided by average. Okay, here mean is given. We have to find out the numbers. Okay, 6 different numbers between 10 and 30. Okay, sum is equal to average into total number. Okay, here average is 20 into total number is 6. This is equal to 20 into 6 is 120. Okay, so here numbers are 40, 18, 20, 24, 19, 25. This number sum is 120. Okay. Other way also possible. ഈ നമ്പർ മാത്രം ആവണമെന്നില്ല. ഈ നമ്പറിന് പകരം വേറെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും അതിൻ്റെ സമ്മ് എത്രയാണ് വരേണ്ടത്? 120. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ്, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള 6 നമ്പേഴ്സ് എടുക്കുക. അതിൻ്റെ സമ്മ് എന്നുള്ളത് എത്ര വരാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ? 120. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ? സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ 15. Sum is equal to average into total number. This is equal to 90. Okay, so here numbers are 13, 12, 14, 18, 17, 16. Okay, dear children, let us do a problem. The table below shows children in a class sorted according to their weights kg. 21 to 23 number of children 4, 23 to 25 number of children is not given, 25 to 27 number of children 7, 27 to 29 number of children 6, 29 to 31 number of children 3, 31 to 33 number of children 1. The mean weight is calculated as 26 kilograms. How many children have weight between 23 and 25 kilogram? Okay, first we have to find these intervals mid values. Next column mid value 21 plus 23 by 2, this is equal to 44 by 2, this is equal to 22. Okay, next 23 plus 25 by 2, this is equal to 48 by 2, this is equal to 24. Okay, next 25 plus 27 by 2, this is equal to 52 by 2, this is equal to 26. Okay, next 27 plus 29 by 2, this is equal to 56 by 2, this is equal to 28. Next 29 plus 31 by 2, this is equal to 60 by 2, this is equal to 30. Next 31 plus 33 by 2, this is equal to 64 by 2, this is equal to 32. Okay, next we have to find total weight. Total weight, mid value into number of children. So mid value is 22 into number of children 4, this is equal to 88. Next 24 into here number of children is not given, so we have to take it as x. 24 into x is equal to 24x. Next 26 into 7, this is equal to 182. Next 28 into 6, this is equal to 168. Next 30 into 3, this is equal to 90. Next 32 into 1, this is equal to 32. Okay, next add these weights here. 24x, but 24x എന്നുള്ളത് ഇവിടെ വേരിയബിൾ വന്നിട്ടുള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ന്യൂമറിക്കൽ ടേംസിനോടുകൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല, അപ്പോൾ അത് മാത്രം ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക പ്ലസ് 24x. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 560 പ്ലസ് 24x. Here number of children is 21 plus x. Okay, clear? We know that mean is equal to sum divided by total number. Okay, this is equal to, here mean is what is given, that is 26 is equal to sum is 560 plus 24x divided by number of children is 21 plus x. Okay, cross multiply 26 into 21 plus x is equal to 1 into 560 plus 24x. Okay, 1 into 560 plus 24x is 560 plus 24x. So 26 into 21, that is 546 plus 26 into x. 26x is equal to 560 plus 24x. Okay, here 24x changed to left side and 546 changed to right side. So 26x minus 24x is equal to 560 plus minus 546. 26x minus 24x is 2x is equal to 14. Then x is equal to 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Okay, that is the number of children whose weight is between 23 and 25 kg is equal to 7. Okay, clear children? Since this is the last video, I advise you all to practice regularly, solve all the problems and score good marks. All the best for your exams.